Here, and hopefully I won't shock myself.
He's Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey.
I am in what we call the equipment closet because it has a battery charger and the winch and thruster wiring and a couple of the batteries, and of course it also has steering gear. And then some of the C-zone devices that we use for controlling back there. Oh, and it also has bilge pump control box right there. Anyway, I am in here because we are going to take these two batteries and add two more batteries to them. Of course, when I installed these guys, I didn't make enough room for two more batteries to go in. Where I'm sitting, we could put two more batteries, but then it would make it a real pain to do any work in here. So we're going to take those batteries out and then move their little trays over and put the other two trays in. You can watch me take all this wiring out here, and hopefully I won't shock myself or anything. Yep, that's what we're doing right now. Later. It's purple. I mean, will the bid even fit in that area?
No. Oh, by itself?
Yeah.
I don't think so. No. Why
Yeah,
about...
so we don't have anything then that's going to work there. Oh my goodness, it's boiling in here now. What happens? Cool. It's like everybody's where they're supposed to be. 13.2, 12.9, 28. We got the 4 batteries in. We're doing a test to see if this battery is bad or not. We'll let that run for a couple days. Then, depending on that battery, we'll either parallelize them or we'll take that battery out and switch all the cabling to the new batteries, then wait for a replacement for this one to show up before we set up everything in a parallel format. Anyway, that's the plan. Now for your viewing enjoyment, you can watch me attempt to get out of this room again. Ah, oh my goodness. Ah. Did a little bit of work on battery wiring for the stern thruster. Got all my wires cut, and then I realized I don't have enough lugs here. I mean, I have enough lugs, but they don't have the proper size hole. They need a 5/16 inch hole, so I got more on those on order. Okay, I am in the equipment closet, getting ready to work on these batteries. Already disconnected them, but I'm getting ready to put them in, putting this set in parallel and that set in parallel over there, and then hook them up back up to everything so that the stern thruster will have lots of power. Okay, those two are secure. I just need to get back to the back ones. I don't want to do that yet. I gotta put fuses on them. Let's see. Okay, putting the fuses on. Okay. Okay. Ow. Well, that hurt. Shoving a battery against the back wall with your fingers in the way. It's not a good thing to do. Okay, that battery is secure. Just got one more to fart around with here. Fuse. Kept telling me, don't forget the ground, don't forget the ground. And I forgot the ground. Okay. Okay, that guy's on. Get this other battery connector on back here. Okay, so the front battery is set up parallel. And of course I need a wire here now. Okay. Okay. Okay, everything's hooked up. Parallel, going back to the back. On the very back one, we have our 0 voltage on that one. That ground and that ground are hooked together. And on this one, we got 12 volts to 12 volts. 12 volts comes over to ground. This guy's 24 volts. We have our 24 volt power monitoring and the shunt power and 24 volt power. Some things are 24 volts, which gets taken up front. And then we got our main inverter coming off of there. We got everybody tightened down. Nobody's moving. Fuses in everybody. Okay, that feels good. Okay, let's see what we got here. We should have 12 there. 12 there. Okay, that's good. And we should have 12 here. Yeah, oh, it's gonna get 12 there one way or the other. 12 there. Okay, and if we go all the way to this guy, we should have 24. Yep, got 24. Should have 12, 12, 12, 12, and 12, right? Yep. Okay, well, I think we're good. Okay, so yeah, there's the batteries and the charger, both on low, but that is the parallel setup. All the batteries are secure and wired in place, and we'll just need to test them in a little while. Okay, I want you to go towards the dock. Okay, that's good. Get over to the other side here. Go back towards the seawall. Okay. Yeah, They're behaving. That is one thing off the list of things to do today. Later.